Pasko nga. So, ito guys yung mga pamilya. So guys, mabasa tayo sa Edinburgh Christmas market nila. So guys, ito ang aming neighborhood. Yun yung hotel namin. Yung may nakalagay na stay. Okay yung hotel na yan, no? Hindi pa na na-explain sa kabilang side, but this is the surroundings of our hotel. Meron din siyang Scottish souvenirs. I think this is like a convenience store. And then this Londis, I think is infusion himself. Londis. They also have an ATM here. Ito nga just ng Londis. I think convenience store din. Guys, ang ganda ng mga buildings dito sa Edinburgh. Edinburgh. Sabi nila, Edinburgh. So we're gonna explore yung Royal Mile. The Royal Mile. Edinburgh nga. So guys, this is Edinburgh. Kahit saan ka tumingin natin. So guys, andito na tayo. We just started to explore Edinburgh and look at those buildings and this avenue which is walkable and this church, I guess, but it's a market, no? It says Baker's Market. Yeah, ganda ng mga buildings, no? And the cobblestones. Okay, so ito yung famous steps. Pakbaba tayo sa ano. So guys, itong stairs na nilalakaran natin. Opposite niyan is the train station na. So kanina nung nagmamap kami or Google Map kami, ang sinasabi sa amin is na dito daw kami dumaan. Kaso ang problem is may mga heavy luggages kami and imagine nyo na dito kami dadaan, dala-dala yun. It's gonna eat our energy and we're gonna get tired, no? So hindi namin ginawa, pero kung tutusin okay sana yung daan kasi nga para malapit na, but fortunately hindi na yung ginawa. And sa kabila, so ito yung train station ng Edinburgh Waverley. And then ito sa tourist spot na yan, the Royal Mile. Yun yung pinagalingan natin kanina. At ito yung stairs. So kung meron naman kayo mga naka-backpack naman kaya nyo, pwede kayong dumaan dyan. So, but here is a train station. So this is the Flesh Market Close and Market Street. And this is Market Street. Opposite niyan is the train station. That one. So yan. So guys, imagine niyo kung yung water dripping. Yan. Doon ang labas yun sa dulo. So guys, here anywhere you look at is Instagrammable. So this place, I'm not sure if they call this Royal Mile. Dito marami kayong mabibili, no? Mga pasalubong, whiskey, Scottish whiskey. Meron din sila dito. Ayan. And they even have a tasting if you want to try it out. Nice. Still gloomy. I think it's almost or past 4 p.m. I like that church siguro yun. Ang ganda nung pinaka-taas ng yung roof ng church. Oh. So, itong lugar na to, you can walk, do sightseeing, eat, buy pasalubong, shop, and may mga alley na kagaya niyan. No? Oh, yan. So, guys, I think ito yung St. Giles Church. St. Giles Church or Cathedral? Mary King's Close. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng close? The Old Town Chamber.
Yung closet.
Closet.
Hindi parang closet, parang
church na yun, ah. Nice. Ikaw yata yung kanilang mascot dito na staff tayo na icon. I know, mukha nga yung cow. So yung mga kilt, mahal kanina tingnan namin, mga 49 pounds. Tapos may metal pa yung parang belt, it's 99 pounds. Yan naman yung kanilang Brody's Tavern. It's a tavern. Hindi, meron pa dun. Steps. And this is actually the new steps now. But it's actually too high. So guys, dun tayo sa susunod na ating destination. Guys, na tayo muna sa susunod, which is yung Christmas market. So guys, this is the Christmas market of Edinburgh, Scotland. So guys, this is Edinburgh, Scotland. So this is our Christmas market. But as you can see, it's dark. But time is just 4 p.m. 4 p.m. lang yan, guys. Look at those buildings, no? Ganda. Yung color yata niyan, it's...
75%.
Yeah, yung color pala niyan, it's related sa flag nila. And according sa labasan namin, 75% of the heritage buildings dito are all World Heritage Site listed. So ngayon, papasok tayo ngayon sa Christmas market na. Ganda. Yung mga light effects na. Pumasok na tayo sa Edinburgh Christmas Market. So, ito guys yung mga dito sa Edinburgh Market. And mga pasalubong, mga related sa Christmas. Saya. Mga food. Ito yung mallows. Chocolate with ano to? Marshmallows yata. Merry Christmas, Edinburgh, Scotland. Guys, ito kami. Mag-order ng hot chocolate, no? To beat the cold weather. Napababa na yung mga riders. So, kung thrill seeker kayo, try nyo yan, no? So, pero kami, hindi kami. Tapos ng year namin dyan. So, this is the price of hot chocolate here. It's £4. If you will add marshmallows, that's additional £1. And this is in the Edinburgh Christmas Market. So, napaka-nice. No? Yung spirit ng Christmas ramdam nyo talaga. Of course, the hot chocolate with cream and mallows here at Edinburgh Christmas Market. Ay, sarap niya. No? Lalo kung ganito yung weather, malamig. Perfect. No? Perfect na perfect. Merry Christmas, guys. Cheers! Ang ganda ng stock. Halter. Yung mga beers, guys. Oh. Ano? Ang ganda, no? Daming beer. Paano na yun? Annual, bibili ka? Guys, ang saya dito. No? Ang daming mga makikita, very interesting, unique food. Obviously, syempre, hindi matay kita dito. So, we do understand na talagang we will find stuff really interesting here, yung mga binibenta nila because it's solely in Europe. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng view. Christmas market, and of course yung train. Yung park pala na to where the Christmas market is being held is actually divided by the train station of Edinburgh. So sa gitna yung daanan ng train, dumadaan sa ilalim, park doon and then park dito. So you will just go on circle, pero parang hill kasi yan eh, kasi parang tunnel yung nasa baba para sa train. Then you can go in this park. Creperie. Grilled salmon, mac and cheese, currywurst, and chips. Ay, yung pangalan to, LNER. That's how you pronounce it. It's the name of the train provider. Dito, no? Si LNER. LNER. So, owned by LNER. Another section, guys. Under Bazaar. Drizzle lang yan. So guys, mababasa tayo sa Edinburgh Christmas Market nila. So we're actually in this area. I'm not sure what they call this, but it seems to us na ito ay shopping district kasi merong Uniqlo, Dr. Martens, no? And marami rin tao, no? Kasi guys, it's only 5 p.m. But look at the ambience, di ba? Yung sky. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadilim yan. Okay, sa labas ng Edinburgh Christmas Market, mamili tayo ng sausage, which is the original German sausage. Although this is Scotland, pero kakain tayo nito. Yan. This is 9 pounds, no? This is the bratwurst sausage. So guys, nag-window shopping kami dito. And on that side is, I think, the Edinburgh Castle. Bukas pupunta tayo dyan. So guys, nag-drizzle. Nagpapayag tayo. So masanay na pala kayo sa UK. Ganito talaga. Nag-drizzle. And after, wala na naman. Pero every time nag-drizzle siya, mas marami malakas yung hangin, windy, mas malamig. Okay, so yung mga tram din sila dito, which is the Edinburgh trams. Not sure kung how much yan, pero it's a very good way of exploring the city. So guys, dito tayo ngayon nag-iintay ng Grab. So pabalik na yung hotel, maglalakad na kami. At ito yung view sa gabi dito sa Old Town.